Umataki Koga. It's based on the teachings of the Austrian psychologist Alfred Adler, and it presents its ideas through a unique dialogue between a philosopher and a young man. You can change your life at any time. Your past doesn't determine your future. Adlerian psychology teaches that people are not determined by past trauma, rather, they choose how to interpret and respond to their experiences. All problems are interpersonal relationship problems. Most of our emotional pain, anxiety, and suffering come from relationships. If you want to be truly free and happy, you must let go of the desire for recognition and approval from others. Live for yourself, not to please others. The key to happiness is the courage to be disliked, to live authentically without constantly seeking validation. It's okay if others don't like you, as long as you live true to your values. Separation of tasks. Know what's your task and what someone else's. Don't interfere in other people's responsibilities, and don't let them control yours. You are only responsible for your own life. Freedom means being disliked. If you want to live freely, you must accept that some people may not approve of your choices. Freedom and being liked by everyone cannot coexist. Why the book is unique. Written as a conversation, like a drama or dialogue. Mixes Western psychology with Eastern wisdom. Simple but deep, challenges common beliefs. Helps with confidence, purpose, and self-worth. Underscore a powerful quote, "You are not living to satisfy other people's expectations.